morning students. In class 6 we were discussing tenses. So today we will continue future tenses and hopefully today we will try to finish it. Okay. So I taught you in simple future tense you have to use will shall. Fine. Plus verb first form. I we के साथ हम shall का use करेंगे and rest of के साथ will का use करना है. So Philinda, today we will start exercise also, but one more thing, if you are having any condition word just like if, then with the conditional things you have to use simple present. With the result thing you will have to use future. See how? If you don't work hard, you will not obtain good marks. That means in conditional things, तो जहाँ पे condition हम लगा रहे हैं वहाँ पर हम simple present का use करेंगे and for the result you will have to use will. Clear? And future tense is not used after if, until, when, whenever, while, before, after, as soon as, since, till, as long as, unless, in case. इन सब के साथ आप future tenses का use नहीं करोगे. So we will start exercise A on page 195. Fill in the blanks with the future forms of verb in simple tense. Simple tense इसमें use करना है. I think she buy. तो buy के साथ use करेंगे will buy. Second one, what dash you do if she come late. तो conditional है, if इसके साथ use करना है do does. Fine. So what will you do? So what will you do if she comes late? if के साथ हम future का use नहीं करेंगे, come का use करेंगे. तो with के साथ she के साथ comes का use करते हैं. She dash scream if you show her the spider. Will scream. Fourth, tonight we shall see a play at the theatre. Shall see. Fifth, my wife and I dash go to the beach in the summer. I के साथ shall go. Sixth, the teacher dash explain this exercise. Will explain. Seventh, dash we drive the bus on the road. Shall we drive? Joseph dash teach us English. Will teach. Next, put the verbs in the correct forms. Future simple. Earn. Exercise B. इन सब में आपको will shall plus verb form लगाना है. You will earn. Will earn हो जाएगा. You will earn a lot of money. You travel around the world. You will travel. You meet. You will meet. You will meet lots of interesting people. Everybody adore. Everybody will adore you. Fifth, you dash not have means you will not have any problems. Six, many people will serve you. They will anticipate. Eighth, they not be, will not be anything, they will not be anything left to wish for. Everything be यानी कि will be, but all the things happen only, will happen only, या will only happen. In future continuous tenses. So the future continuous tenses, denotes an action as going on the some part in future. जो फ्यूचर में ये वर्क कंटिन्यू हो रहा होगा, जैसे मेरे फादर ऑफिस जा रहे होंगे, वो इस टाइम पार्टी अटेंड कर रहा होगा, दैट वाज एंटिसिपेशन, यानी कि आपका फ्यूचर को लेके एक प्रिडिक्शन है कि काम इस टाइम हो रहा होगा. इन दिस केस वी हैव टू यूज इन द केसेस ऑफ अफर्मेटिव subject plus will shall plus be plus ing so subject plus will shall plus be plus ing plus object. Fine. Just like they will be attending द पार्टी. आई के साथ शेल का यूज करना है और दे के साथ बी में दे के साथ विल का यूज करना है. यू हैव टू यूज सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल शेल प्लस बी प्लस वर्ब प्लस ing प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. दे विल बी अटेंडिंग द पार्टी. इन द नेगेटिव केसेस they will not be attending the party. In interrogative, will they be attending the party? In interrogative negative, will they not be attending the party? In double interrogative, why will they be attending the party with question mark. And in double interrogative negative we have to use why will they not be attending the party. All right. So we will start the exercise now. Fill in the blanks using future continuous forms verbs. First one. In an hour, I dash sit in front of my TV. Shall be sitting. I shall be sitting in front of my TV. I dash watch means I shall be watching. Tonight at 6 p.m. I am going to be eat. Simple. Dash you be coming, dash you be come to the party tonight. That means will you be coming. You dash wait for her when her plane arrives tonight. Will be waiting. My brother dash leave tomorrow morning. Will be leaving. The dancers dash perform after the performance. Will be performing. And the last, father dash read newspaper in the morning. Will be reading. So first one, shall be sitting. Second, shall be watching. Third, eat. Will coming. Will be waiting. Will be learning. Sixth, will be leaving. Seventh, will be performing. And eighth, will be reading. So that was basically future tenses. So in the upcoming lecture, we will continue the topic with future perfect and future perfect tenses. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.